Hello and welcome to my new video. What is this? Hello, a lot of vehicles are standing here. Maybe they are standing here for fuel. What happened? Is there not any fuel? What is this? I have to go to another fuel pump. There is no fuel in this fuel pump. It is happening because of the Middle East. You know, those who are watching my video now, they all know about the situation of Middle East. For the Middle East situation, now we can't get fuel. Whether I will get fuel from this pump, I can't understand. Oh, a lot of vehicles are standing here also. Oh no. I feel like I can't get fuel from here. But I have to go to see whether I will get any fuel from here or not. ভাইতে লইব না এখন আশেপাশে কোন পাম্পে পাওয়া যাইব Oh, bad situation here also. I didn't get fuel from this pump. What is this? Now what should I do? Now I will go wrong route. Where can I get fuel? It is very bad situation. Now I have to go another 2 fuel pump where I didn't go yet. Now I will go there to see their condition. Situation is pretty bad. Problem is happening in the Middle East, but I am facing this problem in Bangladesh. What is this? So I am going wrong route. There is no way. I have to go because my bike's fuel is running out very soon. What was that? Pretty bad situation it is. Now I will enter this fuel pump. I have to check, is there any fuel? There I also can't get fuel. Now I have to go to another fuel pump. That is last fuel pump. And in this area there is no any fuel pump without that. Okay. Now wait, I'm going wrong route. And I'm looking for fuel. I have to go a little further, then I will get another fuel pump. I thought I will get fuel, but I didn't think this situation will happen with me. So on the road, vehicles quantity is very low because people can't get fuel from the fuel pump. I feel like I should buy an electric bike. Otherwise, there is no way. This is the last fuel pump and my last expectation place. Now I have to ask the shopkeeper in Bangla, is there any fuel here? Oh, ভাই অকটেন আছে? ও এটা পাওয়া যাবে কবে? Oh, they don't know how many days later it will get. Octane নাই মানে I mean no octane. Bad luck. Now there is no way, so what should I do? Now I have to go house. There is no alternative way right now. And before going to my house, oh, this road condition also bad. I won't use this route. I have to turn my bike. And my fuel also running out. Now I will go to Konapara to buy some pet food because my bird's food is running out gradually. It will running out, I hope, in this day. After going to the shop, I will turn on my camera.